What's up, everybody? So, tonight we have a good session in Banda Aceh. We're trying to practice together like old time. This is my old friend, old student in breaking. Of course, we meet together here in Banda Aceh. We have very good session tonight. We're having fun. We practice together. We practice all move, and we're trying to remember all move. This is very good things when we meeting together. We always talk about b-boy. We talk about hip-hop life. It's very fun. So if you guys want to join us, practice with us in Banda Aceh, just come to our practice place, contact me or DM me. We can practice together. This is healthy lifestyle. Don't worry about that. Just come and join us.